Are you going to come back to your Lord? You start avoiding your ibadah. You're delaying your salah. You're not reading Quran as much as you used to in Ramadan. You have a strong belief that Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala doesn't think you're good enough. And all you ever do is disappoint him. No matter what you do. You think that you're just a failure like everyone else thinks you are. But that's what you believe, right? Is that the truth? No, that isn't even how Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala sees you in the slightest. He doesn't judge you by your thoughts. He judges you only by your intentions, even if you didn't do the action. You know something that many Muslims do not even realize is that everything they've done in Ramadan, right, isn't just a one-time thing every year. Like, yes, shaitan is back, right? But are you going to really let that stop you? Are you going to really fall back down again and never ask for Allah's help? At least come back to Allah and ask him, sincerely in your heart, ask him, oh Allah, please help me. I don't know where to start, but at least guide me to do something for your sake. You know, Allah has blessed us with the month of Ramadan, not only to reward us immensely, but to really show us our own true potential. And so many of us don't even realize. We just leave the blame on shaitan like, oh, it's just his fault. Like Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala's guidance isn't any more powerful. Like, even Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala says this, that he guides whomever he wills. And I know for a fact that he has guided you, because the fact that you're watching this video right now proves it. It proves how beloved you are to Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala. Proves how much you desperately want to try and please Allah. You want to do something for him, even if you don't know where to start. And because I love you all for the sake of Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala, I genuinely want to try and help you guys. So I created something to do that. I create something that you can open within seconds so easily when your iman is low. Because the last thing that I would want to do is figure everything out when I'm already feeling so low. Which is exactly why I have created this gentle guide to help Muslims like you who are struggling, especially after Ramadan. Okay, because post-Ramadan struggle is so real. Like, I know a lot of us have not been the same since. So I hope this video did explain why you feel this way and why you should be turning back to Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala. But in terms of what you should actually do to come back to Allah after understanding the why, then my Iman Reset Guide is literally perfect for that. I've even included the gentle reminders that I say in my videos along with Quran reflections to help you realize your true potential as a Muslim in a way that your Iman will never be the same. And I've even included a hadith and a reflection to help us reflect on the ibadah that we're currently doing, but also to give practical advice that you can apply in your life, like learning how to deal with overthinking or distractions, like what to do when you're too tired or burnt out, and the best ways to make time for Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala even when you're so busy. So I hope this helped and you go check out my Iman Reset Guide to know what to do next. I'll see you in the next one. Assalamu alaikum.